Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use boron in plants. Boron is an essential micronutrient, playing a vital role in many plant functions. It's critical for strong cell walls, efficient sugar movement, and successful reproduction. Maintaining the right balance is key, as both too little and too much boron can cause significant problems for your plants. We'll explore how to achieve this balance for optimal growth. Recognizing boron imbalances is the first step to correction. A deficiency often shows as stunted new growth, misshapen leaves, or even cracked stems. Conversely, too much boron can lead to yellowing leaf edges and eventual leaf scorching. To be certain, it's always best to perform a soil test or a plant tissue analysis. These tests provide precise data to guide your next steps. There are several effective ways to apply boron to your plants. You can incorporate it into the soil using granular or liquid forms, or opt for a foliar spray for faster uptake, especially when addressing a deficiency. Always adhere strictly to the product's label for application rates. For soil applications, a general guideline is 1 to 2 pounds of actual boron per acre, but this can vary. To ensure successful boron application, regular soil testing is paramount. This helps you maintain optimal levels and adjust as needed. Always strive for even distribution to prevent hot spots or missed areas. Remember, over-application is a significant risk, as removing excess boron from the soil is challenging. Finally, tailor your approach to the specific needs of your plants, as requirements differ greatly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.